Gonna do a quick video here. Get it uploaded by the end of the night, hopefully. Got 2 boxes here from Ringside Collectibles. Can't wait to get this open. But showing off this right here, at least 16. He's 60-year-old Jackson. Good condition. This is for my friend Robert Hardy. He's training me a video game for this, so yeah, that's for you. Just show it off one more time. That's for you. Alright, now let's get into the boxes. This is just like part of my unboxing. Oh, you guys need to start watching my videos more. I only got like 60 views on one of my reviews. God, guys. But anyways, hopefully the other part of my package comes in by next week. Big package. That's what she said. Nice. Okay, I'll take this down for a second. Oh. Bitch. Holy shit. Alright. Been waiting for this since February. The authentic scale ring from Ringside exclusive limited edition. I know I'm not gonna do a big review on this, but when I do a review on one of my figures, I will show off the ring. Almost 50 figures. Got Cena and Ryback. I might just keep the Raw ring skirt on. Got all those right there. Over 55 pieces. Yeah, it's gonna be a pain in the ass to do. Hopefully I'll get it done by tomorrow. That's the back of it. Wow. Damn thing is huge. And the cat sitting in the other package. It's not for you. This one I just ordered. When did I order it? I think on the 1st, on Tuesday. Yeah, I ordered it on Tuesday, so it came here in 2 days. Battle Packs 29, CM Punk and Ryback. Got the new CM Punk head scan right there. I love this attire that he was wearing. Like, I think a lot of people call it the Kofi Kingston tribute attire. That's why I see when he wears it. And there's this attire right here, black and white. I like it. This part I'm going to get from Battle Packs 29. Don't really care for Goldust and Cody Rhodes and Los Minodoras. Just don't look that exciting to get. But these are my favorite 2 from the set. Got a new CM Punk attire. Trying to get all my CM Punk collection together. The face scan is nice. And I love this Ryback attire. That's badass. Yeah. See if I can get this up there. Don't fall. Don't fall. Oh, I'm gonna ship my cat off. There he is. But yeah, that's my box video. I need more reviews. Come on, guys. But yeah, if you like this video, comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks for watching. And there'll be another unboxing coming soon. Pretty excited about that one. Thanks for watching.